Do you want to train your puppy effectively? Welcome to the beginning of a beautiful journey that's about more than just teaching tricks. It's about building a bond of understanding, respect, and love. You see, puppy training is an essential part of your furry friend's development. It's an opportunity to instill good habits, foster their innate abilities, and lay the foundation for a well-behaved adult dog. Training your puppy not only helps them understand their place in your world, it also ensures their safety. A well-trained pup is less likely to get into dangerous situations and more likely to respond to you in a crisis. Plus, it's a great way to spend quality time together, strengthening the bond between you two. So get ready to embark on a journey that's as rewarding for you as it is for your little pup. Stay tuned to learn the top 15 steps to train your puppy effectively. What tools do you need to train your puppy effectively? That's a question we hear quite often, and it's vital because having the right tools can make all the difference. Firstly, a good leash is essential. It helps you guide your puppy and keep them safe during walks or training sessions. Adjustable leashes are a great option as they can grow with your puppy. Next, we have the collar. This is another fundamental tool for training, and it's important to find one that's comfortable and the right size for your puppy. Remember, it should be snug but not too tight. And of course, we can't forget about training treats. These little rewards play a big role in positive reinforcement training. Choose treats that your puppy loves, but remember to keep them small and healthy. So, there you have it, a leash, collar, and training treats. With these tools, you are now ready to start training your puppy. How important is a routine in puppy training, you ask? Well, it's absolutely vital. Just as we humans thrive on a predictable daily routine, so do our furry friends. Establishing a routine lays the foundation for successful training. Consider feeding, playing, and sleeping, the 3 pillars of a puppy's day. Consistent feeding times not only regulate your puppy's bodily functions, but also give you an idea of when to expect potty breaks. Designated playtimes help your pup expend energy constructively, reducing the chances of destructive behavior. And a fixed sleeping schedule ensures your puppy gets enough rest, keeping them healthy and happy. But it's not just about these individual activities. The magic lies in the predictable sequence of these events. A routine provides a sense of security and helps puppies understand what's expected of them. So when you're training your pup, remember to establish a routine and stick to it. Remember, consistency is key in puppy training. What is the first step in house training your puppy, you may ask? Well, it all begins with establishing a specific spot in your home or yard as their bathroom area. This is crucial as it sets a clear boundary for your puppy, letting them understand where they should and shouldn't do their business. Next, you'll want to create a consistent bathroom schedule. Puppies thrive on routine, and a set bathroom schedule helps them learn when it's time to go. This could be after meals, before bedtime, or first thing in the morning. Now, let's talk about the magic ingredient, patience. House training isn't an overnight process. There will be accidents, but that's all part of the journey. Instead of scolding, use these moments as opportunities to reinforce good behavior. And speaking of reinforcement, always remember to reward your puppy with treats or praises when they do it right. Positive reinforcement encourages your puppy to repeat the behavior. House training takes time and patience, but the results are worth it. How can you help your puppy become a social butterfly? Well, fellow pet enthusiasts, socialization is a pivotal part of a puppy's development. It's all about introducing them to a variety of people, animals, and environments in a safe, positive manner. Imagine this. It's like a young child going to kindergarten. A well-socialized puppy grows up to be a confident, well-adjusted adult dog. Puppies are naturally curious, so use this to your advantage. Encourage them to explore new environments under your watchful eye. Introducing your little furball to new people and animals should be a gradual process. Start with close friends and family, then gradually widen their social circle. Always ensure the experiences are positive. Treats and praises work wonders here. Remember, every dog is unique and some may take longer to feel comfortable in new situations. Patience and consistency are key. It's not a race, but a journey. Socialization is crucial for your puppy's development and well-being, so let's make sure we give them the best start possible. How can you teach your puppy the sit command? Let's dive right in. Start with a treat in your hand. Hold it above your puppy's nose and slowly move it over their head. As their head goes up to follow the treat, their bottom will naturally go down. Once they're sitting, say sit. Give them the treat and lots of praise. Next, let's cover the stay command. Ask your puppy to sit. Then, open your palm in front of their face and say, stay. Take a step back. If they stay, give them a treat. If they don't, bring them back to the original spot and repeat the process. The come command is crucial for safety. Start with the leash on. Crouch down to your puppy's level and say come while gently pulling the leash. When they come to you, reward them with a treat and praise. Remember, the key is positive reinforcement and consistency. With patience and consistency, your puppy will master the sit, stay, and come commands. What if your puppy refuses to follow commands? You might ask. Well, it's quite common and there's no need to panic. For starters, try to understand the reason behind their behavior. Puppies have short attention spans and they might be distracted by something more interesting. So, ensure that the training environment is free from distractions. If your puppy is still not following commands, it could be that they don't understand what you're asking them to do. Make sure you're using clear, consistent commands and gestures. Also, remember that training should be fun. If your puppy associates training with positive experiences, they are more likely to participate. Another common issue is that the puppy might be scared or anxious. It's crucial to create a safe and comfortable environment for your puppy. Be patient and never resort to punishment. This could lead to fear and further disobedience. Remember, every puppy is unique and may require different training approaches. Training a puppy might be a challenge, but it's definitely a rewarding journey. Let's recap what we've learned today. Our journey began with understanding the importance of puppy training. We delved into choosing the right tools that suit your puppy's needs and temperament. We then established the significance of a consistent routine, which provides a sense of security and predictability for your little furball. We explored house training basics, a vital first step towards a well-behaved pup. Then, we navigated the world of socialization skills, preparing your puppy to be an affable and confident adult dog. We walked through the first 9 commands, the stepping stones to effective communication with your pet. And finally, we tackled some common issues and how to troubleshoot them, because let's face it, no puppy is perfect. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this process. There might be days that test your patience, but the wagging tail and puppy kisses make it all worthwhile. With these steps, training your puppy will be a rewarding and bonding experience. Happy training!